So.
Yeah. You want to record?
We can like just walk, and I will like just keep vlogging.
So this river is called Svislik,
Mm-hmm.
and it's like the most dirty one in
Really?
Belarus. Yeah, because it's in the capital.
Oh,
and
I
it's
thought
really
it was
dirty.
clean.
No.
So people don't go
No.
swimming here.
No way.
Because in comparison to the rivers in Sao Paulo, this is clean. This is heaven. Because the rivers in Sao Paulo, they are wow. There is a horrible smell. Or in here, looks like great. I think I will swim.
No. It's super green
Yes.
and it's very dark, so you
Yes.
can't see the down.
Oh my gosh. But what I like is that everybody's like on the boats and
Yeah, it's
having
pretty
fun.
popular. Yeah,
It is.
it's nice.
And how long do you live from here? How much time?
I'm pretty, I don't know, 10 minutes by bus,
Hi.
5 minutes by walking, so 15 minutes.
It's
It's
fast.
a city center, and I'm
Yes.
not living far
Uh-huh.
away.
Nice. Yeah, when I came to the border, I noted the difference because everything was so organized, and I was, wow, nice, I like it. There was a woman, she entered the bus, she had something similar to a camera, but it wasn't a camera, it was just to measure the temperature,
Yes.
and she was like in everybody.
Actually, I didn't know they're still doing it because
Yeah, they're doing they're
almost
doing.
full.
And the immigration woman, she was very nice. She like smile for
Actually,
me.
you get lucky. They are usually not very, how to say,
Really?
Yeah, they're super serious. And
Yes.
pretty rude.
Uh-huh.
They don't like to smile.
Yeah, this is
Usually
what
it's
I
like that.
yeah. So there was a man and there was a woman. So I thought I think I will go with the woman. Normally they are more friendly. So I chose her, and it was a nice choice.
You're lucky.
Yes.
This one is called the Island of Tears.
Mhm.
It's a memorial to the people who went to the war in Afghanistan.
Oh. Wow, I didn't know Belarus sent troops to Afghanistan.
And you will see the angel right there.
Yes.
And it's crying.
Uh-huh. A black angel.
But it's also, there is a tradition,
Mhm.
if you're touching his stuff, so then you will have, I don't know, a healthy baby or something like that.
That's nice.
I heard it. I didn't try.
And what do you do here? Do you study? Do you work?
So I already graduated
Uh-huh.
maybe 2 or 3 years ago, and most of the time I worked in the tourism sphere.
Cool.
For example, also I worked in the hostel
Mhm.
as administrator. And
This hostel?
No.
Oh,
this one.
okay.
So I just know it because I was in this sphere.
Yes.
And 3 years I worked in the hotel at the reception. But suddenly I decided to change it
Uh-huh.
to something new, and right now I'm trying to be an account manager at educational
Nice.
platform. Once, yeah, it's been maybe 5 years ago.
Oh,
Really long time, but it was great.
nice.
It's from my start
Uh-huh.
in the coach surfing.
Oh, that's nice.
About weird guys I met, maybe 2 guys from Japan.
Oh, I can't believe.
And it was so weird for me that I asked the questions to them all the time, and I was interrogated them,
Uh-huh.
and they never asked me one question, not about Belarus, not about myself,
Uh-huh.
and it was weird.
What they did, like they were the whole time like mute
Yes, I asked, he answered, then pause. I asked, he answered, then pause.
They are really weird. Yeah.
Two guys, a different time, but Japan, so maybe just culture. It's not like you're sitting in the day and waiting for
For
the
them to
birds.
come. In these days, I was working. I'm working every day now at home, and I was, I think,